10 jaw-dropping anomalies on Earth that scientists struggled to explain. Welcome to Mysterious World YouTube channel, subscribe and share for more update. Our planet is so far the most unique planet in the universe since it's the only one which has life, apparently intelligent life, on it. However, that fact aside, Earth has countless mysteries that will never cease to amaze us. No matter where you look, you'll find something mind-bogglingly impressive, something weird, something inexplicable. In this article, we take a look at some of these places which have left scientists bewildered. Zone of silence, where radios don't work, clocks are lost in time, and compasses spin out of control. Situated on the 27th parallel north are the Bermuda Triangle, you know, the place that allegedly swallows boats, cargo ships, and even airplanes, the pyramids of Giza, which according to many were built as massive energy machines by an unknown civilization, and the Himalayas. The Himalayas are really cool, but in addition to those three places, there are other ones which baffled experts. Referred to as the Zone of Silence or Zona de Silencio, this area of land located in Mexico is one of the most anomalous places on Earth. According to reports, nothing seems to properly function here as scientists have failed to understand how clocks stop, radios go haywire, and the compass spins out of control. Located some 2,000 meters above sea level, the Zone of Silence strangely coincides with the enigmatic Bermuda Triangle and the pyramids of Giza in Egypt. Göbekli Tepe, our planet's oldest temple. The oldest temple on the surface of our planet is located in modern-day Turkey and is referred to as Göbekli Tepe. This fascinating ancient structure is considered to be 6,500 years older than Stonehenge and around 7,000 years older than the oldest of the pyramids, meaning that it was created around 12,000 years ago by a mysterious civilization. This ancient temple is referred to as the Stonehenge of the desert, and experts are still trying to understand what its true meaning was. Gravity Hills, a place where gravity isn't gravity. Located in India, we come across the infamous Gravity Hill, a place where if you decide to take your car for a ride and decide to park it for an awkward reason on the hill and decide to put it out of gear into neutral, the car will start moving upwards, almost as if some mysterious force you can't see was pulling the car upwards. Eternal Flame Falls, USA, where fire defies water. Located in the USA is a strange phenomenon that looks almost as if there's a fire burning in the middle of a waterfall. This unusual waterfall is the product of Mother Nature, and scientists say that it's perfectly explainable as there are small fissures in the rock which emit natural gas, causing to burn. At times the flame extinguishes and needs to be reignited. Legends say that whoever manages to reanimate the flame will be blessed with fortune. Meet the enigmatic Castle Frango Castello, home of the only documented time mirage in the world. Built by the Venetians sometime between 1371 and 1374, the castle was built as a garrison to protect Venetian nobles and their land. Its builders named it Castle of St. Nicetas, but locals contemptuously dubbed it Frango Castello, meaning the Castle of the Franks. On May 17, 1828, a famous battle took place at the castle when hundreds of Sfakiats and Epirots commanded by Hatzimichalis Daliones, a Greek patriot from Epirus, occupied the fortification but were eventually besieged by the Turks. Later, the Turks were also killed and massacred by ambushes. The anniversary of the battle shows the shadows of the fallen soldiers march towards the fortress around dawn. Every year around May, the castle is home to a bewildering phenomenon where shadows of armed soldiers march from the monastery of Agios Gerolimbos to the castle. The phenomenon is observable, and was even documented, in the early hours when the sea is quiet, and humidity in the air is high. The event lasts for around 10 minutes. For centuries has the Bermuda Triangle created chaos among sailors and pilots in recent decades. The area is known as the Bermuda Triangle, aka the Devil's Triangle, and it stretches some 700 kilometers from Florida, Puerto Rico to Bermuda. In the last 100 years alone has the enigmatic area taken the life of around 1,000 people without explanation. The Bermuda Triangle just happens to be one of the most transited areas on the planet, as it is an international highway for shipping lanes as countless vessels transit the area in order to arrive from America to Europe or vice versa. Explanations for the mysterious disappearances of ships and planes range from aliens, mystery pyramids, weather phenomenon to portals to another dimension. Interestingly, the United States Coast Guard does not recognize the existence of the so-called Bermuda Triangle, aka Devil's Triangle, as an area of specific hazard to ships or planes. Pyramids everywhere. It's as if someone traveled to all ancient cultures scattered across the globe and said, "Build pyramids and build them like this." The truth is that pyramids are spread across the entire planet. No matter where you decide to look, there are pyramids of all sizes and shapes, but mysteriously a large number of them is eerily similar despite the fact that many of them were built by different ancient civilizations, scattered across the globe. Why do pyramids in South and Central America resemble their counterparts in Asia or India? What was the purpose of the pyramids? And how come there are so many similarities among the thousands of pyramids on Earth? Dolmens, just like pyramids, dolmens are everywhere. Just like there are pyramids scattered on nearly all continents on Earth, the enigmatic dolmens are also spread across different continents. We can find these mysterious stone structures everywhere, from Korea, China, Scandinavia, Russia, Spain, Portugal, etc. Why so many exist, and why many of them are so familiar has bothered experts who are unable to fully explain them. Archaeologists believe they were built as tombs for people belonging to the royal class, but many authors disagree. Oh, and there's that strange thing that happens when you bring electric devices near some of the dolmens. They behave erratically, almost as if something was interfering with the devices. The enigma behind the Kochno stone, an ancient star map. Few have heard about a mysterious 5,000-year-old stone slab covered in strange, alien-like symbols. Discovered in 1887 by Reverend James Harvey, this enigmatic piece of stone contains around 90 strange indentations and is considered to host one of the finest sets of petroglyphs not only in Scotland but on Earth. Scientists cannot agree on what the symbols mean and why so many of them are similar to crop circles, or constellations in the sky. Some have ventured out and said that the Kochno stone is a 5,000-year-old star map,